Walmart Spark Driver payment history is available through your driver account, which lets you review past earnings information and track payments connected to your deliveries. By the end, you'll know where to find your Spark Driver payment history, what information to check, and what to do if a payment does not look correct. The first step is opening the Spark Driver app and signing in to your account. Your payment information is connected to the account you use for deliveries, so make sure you are checking the correct driver profile. Look for the section related to earnings, payments, or financial information inside the app. The exact location can change depending on app updates, so check the current menu options available on your account. Your payment history helps you review previous earnings activity. You can use it to compare completed deliveries with the payments shown in your account and identify anything that needs further review. The second step is checking individual payment details. When reviewing your history, compare the dates, delivery activity, and amounts listed. Keeping track of your completed work makes it easier to notice missing or unexpected information. The third step is handling payment issues. If you notice a difference between your delivery records and payment history, collect the details before contacting support. Include the delivery date, order information if available, and the specific amount you believe needs review. A message like, "My payment is wrong," does not give support enough information to investigate quickly. A detailed report explains exactly what happened and what you need checked. It is also useful to keep your own records. Save screenshots or notes of completed deliveries, earnings information, and payment details when needed. Your records can help you compare information over time. If you cannot find your payment history, first check that you are using the latest version of the Spark Driver app and that you are logged into the correct account. App updates can move menus or change where information appears. The best way to manage Spark Driver payments is to regularly review your earnings, compare payments with completed deliveries, and report specific issues with supporting details. Your next step is to open the Spark Driver app, locate your earnings or payment section, and review your recent payment activity. If this guide helped you check Walmart Spark Driver payment history, like the video and subscribe for more driver app guides and troubleshooting tips.